In this video, I'm going to teach you how to restore WordPress website from backup in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Hostinger's official website. This is where you can bring your ideas online with an accessible website and friendly hosting environment. When the page loads, take a moment to locate the account login or access area, as this will be the starting point for managing your website settings. Once you are on the Hostinger website, your next step is to click on My Account. This area is your personal dashboard where all your hosting services, websites, and related activities are managed. Clicking on My Account will lead you to a personalized space that includes a range of options tailored to your hosting plan. It is essential to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it is a central hub for all future modifications and updates on your website. After accessing your account, navigate to the home section of the Hostinger control panel. This dashboard provides an overview of your services along with shortcuts to frequently used tools and features. It is designed to help you quickly access different areas of your hosting environment without unnecessary searching. From home, the next destination is the website section, which is dedicated solely to managing your online projects. Continuing through the process, you need to click on website. This section will list the websites you have with your hosting plan and provide direct options for managing each site individually. After selecting the website option, look for the website list. The website list organizes all your domains into an accessible format, making it easy to identify the specific website you intend to restore. By locating your website in this list, you can proceed with confidence, knowing you are working on the correct project. Once you have identified your website, move on to the Tools section. Within the Tools area, multiple functionalities are available, including file management and backup options. Here, the key feature to rely on is the File Manager. Clicking on File Manager opens up the interface where you can oversee your website's files. The File Manager is user-friendly and designed to allow you to navigate folders, upload files, and importantly, handle backups with ease. Within the File Manager, search for the Backups option. This option gives you access to all saved backups of your website. It is here that you will find the restore point that will bring your website back to a previous working state. Look carefully at the backup files available and prepare to restore the one that best meets your current needs. Once you have identified the proper backup, proceed by clicking on Restore and Download. This action initiates the process of reverting your website files to the previously saved version. After starting the restore process, you will be prompted to select the website backup that corresponds to your current site needs. It is vital to choose the correct backup so that you ensure no unwanted data is overwritten. Once the correct backup file is selected, finalize the process by clicking on Restore Website. This final step begins the restoration process and sets the wheels in motion to bring your website back to its operational state. By following these instructions carefully, you have now learned how to leverage Hostinger's built-in tools to restore your WordPress website from a backup. The process has been designed to be efficient and straightforward, allowing you to manage your online presence with minimal disruption. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being prepared to restore your website in just minutes using Hostinger's comprehensive service platforms.